Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Sam Baker. And today I'm doing a quick haul in regards to our shopping in Asda today. So I hope you're having a good Saturday afternoon, because this is afternoon here in the UK. This is 2 o'clock, which is the 8th of February 2020. So today we're just gonna do a quick haul, what we bought and how much we spent, so you have a rough idea how much we're spending with the food here in the UK. So yes, I hope you like this video. So yeah, have a cup of tea as well while you're watching me. Yeah, so we're gonna start with eggs. I bought again eggs. This is £1 and 15 pence. This is 15 eggs, by the way. And yeah, they're good. We use a lot of eggs because I do eat eggs in the morning. I boil them because if you're not aware, I'm on a diet, so I'm eating boiled eggs in the morning. And then I use them as well for baking. That's why I use a lot of eggs. And that's only £1 and 15 pence in Asda, 15 eggs. And we bought here as well another mee goreng. There you go. And this one is only 35 pence. And this is the hot and spicy mee goreng instant noodle. And we put this one with our stir fry, chicken stir fry, if you've seen my video. And we love chicken stir fry, so we always use the mee goreng. We only use one packet, by the way, for the whole meal. It's not a lot, I know, but if you put a lot of vegetables in it, that's good enough for the meal. And we have here as well this one, which is the Crush, Tropical Crush, and this is only 40 pence in Asda. There you go. They're really good for the drink, and this is 2 liters, by the way, so that's a good buy. And we love our Crush, by the way. And we bought as well, oh, this is new. This is from Asda prawn crackers. And this is 70 grams. And this is only, hang on, let me get my receipt because I'm not sure with this one, because this is new. So this crackers is only 88 pence. And they're on 70 grams. And this one is a prawn flavored tapioca crackers. There you go. So this is the first time we're going to try this. We bought as well, for our fruits, we bought bananas. And this bananas is in loose bananas, and there are 6 pieces actually. And that one we paid, for our bananas, we paid £1 actually. And these are the loose bananas that you can get from Asda. These are not in the plastic, so you just pick up how many bananas you want, and then you weigh them when you pay in the till. So that's £1. And this as well, this is a new one, by the way. This is an old El Paso stand and stuff taco kit. And this is a sweet paprika and garlic, and this is mild, by the way. If you've seen my video before, we bought the other taco, which is from Asda, and that one, I should say, is good. We like it as well. But for a change, so we bought this one. But this is more expensive than the Asda one, because the Asda taco one is only £1 and 50 pence, and this is £2. But because we've seen the sweet paprika and garlic tacos there, and I should say we like the tacos the first time we tried it. So we're gonna try this one this time, and I'll let you know how I get on with this one. All you need is mince, and you need as well vegetables if you want some salad in it. And then cheese, and they're really good. They're good for your tea. And I like it. And all the instructions is at the back as well. And Old El Paso here in the UK is really good. We've been trying the wraps and a lot of their stuff from Old El Paso. We like them. But like what I said, we tried the other day the Asda one. And I should say they're really good as well for £1.50. But this time, I'll let you know how I get on with the tacos from Old El Paso. And this is the sweet paprika and garlic, and this is a mild. And this is for 10 servings, actually, this one. There you go. So that one, and we bought mince. Obviously, we cannot make tacos if we don't have mince. And this one is a British beef mince. And this is on 500 grams and £1.59. There you go. We use this one for our tacos or other stuff for our cooking. And they're good. They're good mince. And we bought as well carrot, a piece of carrot. And that one only cost us 55 pence for one. We're going to use it for a roast dinner tomorrow, Sunday roast. And we bought as well 2 parsnips. There you go, 2 parsnips. And these parsnips cost us 24 pence. These two. They're really nice for your roast, Sunday roast. So that's our first bag. I hope you're using your own bags as well, not using plastic because it's good for the environment. Yeah, we bought as well haggis wipes, this one, and this is only £1. We use a lot of wipes because we use this in the toilet, or we use it like just wiping anything in the toilet seat. They're good as well, and I like this brand because they're good quality of wipes. And this is also mild for people that has allergy like myself, and you can get them in 2 different, which is this one is with aloe vera and the other one you can get just the natural. And this is 56 wipes for £1 in Asda. And we bought as well this one, sweet clementines. This one, this is £2 by the way, and they are 1.2 kilos and they are £2, and they're really nice and sweet. So if you're looking for vitamin C, this is a good source of vitamin C, and they're really good for you. And we bought as well potatoes. We use potatoes for our Sunday roast. And this is white potatoes, and this is £1. This one. And they're really good for roast. We use a lot of potatoes here in the UK because we use them for our roast. We use them for chips, you know, for making chips. And I think that's all. I think that's all we bought for today. So yeah, so that's our shopping. So we spent today £11 and 79 pence for all of that. So yeah, so we have now for our tea, we have something for our tea. We have stuff for our Sunday roast tomorrow, which is Sunday. We always have a Sunday roast here in UK. So I'm gonna try to make a vlog regarding the Sunday roast, so you have a rough idea what we eat when I say Sunday roast. Every Sunday is a tradition here in the UK that we eat Sunday roast. So yeah, so you have an idea what's the Sunday roast I'm talking about. So keep an eye on that in my next video tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day this Saturday. And if you're watching rugby, yeah, cheer for Scotland or England. Well, I'm going to watch them just now. And yes, I'll see you for my next one. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you can share. And if anything you want to know about Britain or any question, you can put it in the comment down below, and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. So have a good day and be good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.